A lot of physics are not designed for us. And I think life has had to come up through natural selection, other things, with mechanisms to make themselves resistant. And cities are an instance of this.
What is the future for cities? Do you want to learn more about them? Do you want to know how others think about them? Do you want to be part of the conversation? Then this is the right place.
Welcome to What is the Future for Cities podcast. We will interview Chiara Marletto, scientific researcher at the University of Oxford. My interviewing partner is Ben Wash, and we will talk about Chiara's vision for the future of cities, the effects of scientific evolution, the best environment for knowledge creation, and many more, as a special edition part of the Podcasthon 2025.
Because cities are like this kind of broad idea from biology of the extended phenotype. They're part of the infrastructure that we humans came up with throughout our evolutionary history in order to survive. So I think from very primitive cities, which were just aggregations of humans in sort of tribes and things, and then going through ancient times with more sophisticated structures like in Greece and Rome, etc., and then throughout the Middle Ages and then the Renaissance, etc., and then the European towns and so on. And then how that's also, there were powerhouses for some ideas that were created during history. So those places were really important to preserve humans, and then the ability to self-preserve that humans have was embodied in the cities themselves. It's interesting to see cities as a constructor, if you like, so this entity that can do a transformation and stay, let's say, approximately unchanged in its ability to cause it again. And somehow it's up to us to find ways of doing this more efficiently.
Find out more in episode 308 with Chiara Marletto as part of the Podcasthon 2025 on the
What is the Future for Cities podcast.